Welcome to our channel where we dive into the essentials of home care and maintenance. Today we are zooming into Roorkee, a city where water quality is a key concern for every household. Join us as we explore the unparalleled services of Sanchit Enterprises, go-to experts for Kent Aero services in Roorkee. Roorkee, with its unique challenges in water quality due to industrial and geographical factors, demands a robust solution for water purification. That's where Kent RO systems and the expertise of Sanchit Enterprises come into play. Situated at 178 Ram Nagar Gali No.4, opposite New Kacheri, Roorkee, Sanchit Enterprises stands as a beacon of trust and quality. Let's walk through their doors and discover what makes their services unparalleled in Roorkee. Here at Sanchit Enterprises, every Kent RO model receives the attention it deserves. From the advanced Kent Grand and Grand Plus to the elegant Kent Pearl, each model is served with expertise and precision. Kent water purifiers are known for high purification capacity and innovation technology. Sanchit's team, equipped with deep knowledge and specialized tools, ensure each system delivers its best performance. Facing issue with your Kent RO system, be it a classic model or the latest into the market, the team here swiftly diagnose and resolve the concern, be it filter replacement, UV tube servicing, and more complex repairs. The satisfaction of customers stands as the core of Sanchit Enterprises. Here, what's local of Roorkee have to say about their experience. Their services is quick and efficient. I called them for my Kent RO repair and they were at my doorstep within 48 hours. Second customer, what says about Sanchit Enterprises? Sanchit Enterprises technicians are truly expert. They not only fix my purifier but also explain how to maintain it for a longer life. For all your Kent RO need in Roorkee, Sanchit Enterprises is just a call away. Reach out us by calling 9634098736 for expert care and support. Remember, pure water is not a luxury but a necessity for a healthier life. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Sanchit Enterprises. For more insight into home care and maintenance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more. And as always, keep your home safe and your water purer with the right care until next. Thank you from Sanchit Enterprises.